Good morning, class. Today is a special day. We are playing dominoes in math. Let's have fun. XX, Mrs. Agrell. For today's math lesson, we are going to play a game called Domino Sums and another game called Domino's Mix and Pick. So you can use your masters that are at the end of your math workbook but to help you with these. If you don't have dominoes at home, you can cut out the dominoes that are on the first master. So those black and white dominoes, you can cut each domino out individually, and then you can lay them at the top of your page. So the way that we play this game is by writing a math fact for each domino that we see. So our first domino has 0 dots and 0 dots. So 0 plus 0 is the math fact that I would write in the column under 0, the answer. The next domino has 2 dots and 0 dots on the second half. So we would write the math fact 2 plus 0 under the 2 column because that is the sum. We can keep doing all of the math facts for each domino that we've laid out or that we've cut out of our master sheet until our whole graph is finished. Our second game is Domino Mix and Pick. You're going to take your dominoes and lay them face side down on the table, or you can even put them in a bag. And then you're going to flip one of the dominoes over. So the first domino that I flipped over was 6 on one side and 3 on the other side. So half of it was 6 and half of it was 3. I know 6 plus 3 equals 9, so I'm going to color in my 9 square on my graph. Then you're going to flip over another domino, or pick another domino out of a bag. And the next one is a 0 and a 3. So I know that 0 plus 3 is 3, so I'm going to color in my 3 squares. And you can keep going until you flip over all your dominoes and have all the graph colored in for each one of the sums of the math facts.